fix it.
The next thing that can be improved in this apartment is to change the stove with the induction one. The efficiency with the gas stove, for example, is 40%. With the normal stove is 60% of the electricity converted to heat. With the induction ones, the percentage is 90, which significantly reduces the energy consumption, the electricity bills, and the environment impact. Another advantage is that the induction hob heats the vessel itself and its contents, so the surface itself remains cool and scalding yourself on the hob is impossible, which is very important for families with children, just like our customer. Also, food dropped on the stove does not turn into a tan, but be careful with the cooking vessel and the food itself. The reaction of the stove itself is extremely fast. The temperature can be very high or very low in just a second.